Hi there, these are the Mi polarized pilot sunglasses. Now if you search for them on the Mi.com website, you won't find them. Why? Because they were sold in January 2019 via a Mi crowdfunding program. What is crowdfunding program? I'll talk about this in this video. In this video, I shall be also unboxing it and comparing these Aviator sunglasses with my regular Ray Ban Aviators, so you don't want to miss this one. Continue watching this video. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So what is Mi crowdfunding? Well, I'll try to explain it in the simplest way possible. Now Xiaomi creates many products like Mi shoes, Mi weighing scale, Mi cables, the sunglasses, the Mi bands. But when they create these products, they're not sure if they'll have enough demand. So some products are mainstream like phones and fitness trackers, which they're confident will start selling right as they put it on their stores, or when they market it, they'll start selling. But there are some products like the Mi glasses, Mi shoes, Mi scale. There are certain things which they are still not very sure of. So they use this program called Mi crowdfunding. So a couple of years ago when they started with this, so one of their early was Mi crowdfunding, where they put up a Mi selfie Bluetooth camera stick. Now this was around 1,000 rupees or something, and what they do is they make a certain amount. Like for example, hypothetically, they make 5,000 of these devices, and then they put it up on the Mi crowdfunding website and they say we have 5,000 units. People who want to buy can buy. So what they do is they give a 10-day window roughly, but it starts selling actually on the same day it opens. In fact, in a few hours it's sold. So most of these products sell off well. So what they do is they see that it crosses that 100%. So once it crosses the 100%, they know that people really want these products, and then they go into full-time production. And then after a couple of months, you see them on the Mi.com store or at the Mi home stores. So this is how the platform works. And of course, if that goal doesn't complete, they refund that money back. There is no COD, cash on delivery option available for this crowdfunding program. You have to pay in advance. And if the goal is not reached, then they don't send you the product, they send you the money back. But I still don't believe that has happened in any of their product programs so far. I'll leave the links in the description if you want to check out the Mi crowdfunding page. It's definitely something to watch out for. And of course, if there's something new coming out on the crowdfunding page, I shall update to you on my community page on YouTube, on my Twitter and on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on all these platforms so you don't miss these notifications. So here is the Mi polarized pilot sunglasses, and as you can see, these are two aviators that I own. Both of these are Ray-Bans. This is of a smaller size, this is of a bigger size. We're going to unbox this in this video, and we're going to see which size this is, and we're going to compare it with these two. So let's begin. Wow, they come in this beautiful case, and that actually looks like leather. There's a Mi branding on the top, you can see here. So inside the case there's also a microfiber cloth, so you can clean the lenses and the frame. Alright, let's have a closer look. And that looks actually very pretty. So what I'm noticing is that the frame on these aviators are matte black. So you can see here it's matte black. The hinges are actually nice. They've got a nice, so they're not loose as of now. So nose pads have a Mi branding on it, you can see here. Nose pads have a Mi branding, and they're nice. They're adjustable, I believe. They are always. Yeah, they're adjustable to a small extent. It's nice. It's quite flat actually. It's thin and flat. The temples on these are actually slim and flat. Whereas if you see them on the Ray-Bans, they're perfectly round. Whereas here, it's flat. This is actually quite light. I just realized that this is very light. This being smaller in size also has some weight to it. It's got some heft to it. Whereas if you see these, they're quite light. These are now UV protected. So on the box also it mentions UVA protection, UV 400 protection. Let's see the size. So comparing them to my smaller aviators, Ray Ban Aviators, okay, so you can clearly see these are bigger than these. These are a little smaller in size. I got them when I wear a turban. So when I wear a turban, I prefer using the smaller size.
and I wear these when I usually wear a bandana or a cap or something. So yeah, so these both are actually of the same size. Yeah, they're literally the same size, but this one has got some weight to it. See, these are glass. This is glass and a metal frame. This is definitely metal, that they have mentioned on the box as well. This is a metal frame, but I'm not sure about the glasses. They're definitely not glass. Okay, they're plastic, but they're good quality plastic, so they're not glass. That's what makes them so light, but that doesn't mean they're not good. Let's wear them and see.
So, how do I look? Well, okay, half of you must be saying I look blind, but they're very comfortable. So we're talking about the comfort. They were really very comfortable, but if I had to compare them to my Ray Ban glasses, no, nowhere close. They're light, they're comfortable, they can be worn for long hours, but the Ray Ban goggles had a much better fit. Now of course you cannot compare the price. They cost somewhere around 4,000 to 7,000 rupees, the one I own. This one is available, probably when it is available, will be available for under 1,000 rupees. Okay, now this is also something that we had to talk about, availability. Well, these Mi sunglasses are currently not available on the mi.com store. They have hit the mark where they have crossed the threshold where they know that they will have enough demand for it to produce more, but still currently it's still not available on the store. Whenever it is available, I shall update it on my Twitter handle, on my Instagram page, as well as on the community link on YouTube. So make sure you are following me on Twitter, Instagram and on YouTube, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that update. So I have to also talk to you about that. I wore it very briefly outside, and in the sun it gave it a very cool effect. When I say cool, doesn't mean I look cool. It means that gave my eyes a very cooling effect. It was comfortable in the afternoon sun, and right now in Mumbai it's around 35 degrees, which is quite hot. It's quite hot and humid, so it was nice, comfortable fit. It was not uncomfortable. And also I'd like to mention is that because they have these slim temples, they're very comfortable and they don't hurt you here, which is very good. The ear tails are also very comfortable, so they don't hurt you. They're budget friendly glasses, and that is the best part about Xiaomi. They give you the best in the best budget price. So this is the best you can get for this price. So definitely recommend it. Of course, I'm recommending it, but it's not available. So when it is available, I think if you're looking for sunglasses, you should consider this. Absolutely recommended. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know your feedback about this video. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.